Unit 5, Lesson 5.13, Exercise question number 65. What number is given by these clues? So this is a bit of a puzzle. As an end result, there's more than one possible answer, but I'll show you how to get there. So the number that we're looking for, rounded to the nearest thousand, is 7,000. So what that means is that our number obviously has to be bigger than or equal to 6,500, right? 6,500 round up to 7,000. But it also has to be less than 7,500, because anything larger than 7,500 or equal to 7,500 would round up to 8,000. So that's all we know from that first statement. The second statement lets us know a little bit more. The number rounded to the nearest hundred is 7,500. So what we know now is our number has to be bigger than or equal to 7,450, right? Because anything smaller than that would round down to 7,400. But it has to be less than 7,550, because anything that is 7,550 and larger will round up to 7,600. So we have a little bit of a range. Right now we know our range is somewhere between 7,450 and 7,549. So the sum of the tens digit and the ones digit is 8, and the one digit is an even number. So right now we know our possible examples could be 7,400 and then 2 blanks at the end, 7,500 and 2 blanks. This number right here and right here is an even number. So that means that last digit, that ones digit, can be a 0, a 2, a 4, a 6, or an 8. Now, knowing all the above limitations, there's a few answers that this number could actually be. It could be 7,400. Now, if we were to put a 0 in that ones position, the tens and the 1 have to add to 8. So if we have a 0 here, we have to have an 8 here. And that fits within our criteria, right? Because it is bigger than 7,450, but less than 7,550. There's an even number in the ones position. And the tens and the ones, 8 and 0, add to 8. Another example could be 7,400. Put a 2 here now. 2 plus 6 is 8. Another example could be 7,544. It's less than 7,550, but it's bigger than or equal to 4,550. There's an even number in the ones, and the tens and the ones, 4 and 4, add to 8. Another example could be 7,526. It's less than 7,550, but it's bigger than 7,450. There's an even number in the ones position. And 6 and 2, the tens and the ones, add to 8. Another example could be 7,508. It's less than 7,550, but it's greater than or equal to 7,450. There's an even number in that ones position, and 0 plus 8 equals 8. Those are any of your possible answers for this question.